Hi children, welcome you all to the next session on integers. Here we are going to solve problems from exercise 1.1. Before that, we want to recall what we have learned in previous session. Let's come. Integer number line. Here, how we can represent integer on a number line. In this number line, 0 is in the middle, positive integers on the right and negative integers on the left. When we move towards the right on the number line, the numbers keep increasing. When we move towards the left on the number line, the numbers keep decreasing. So, now choose any number towards right. If I am choosing 5 and 2, 5 is greater than 2. Both 5 and 2 are positive integers. So 5 is greater than 2. Now if I am choosing another number, 4 and 3, which is greater? Normally we know that 4 and 3 are positive integers. 4 is greater than 3. Suppose we choose minus 3 and 2. Is minus 3 is greater than 2? No, because minus 3 is negative integer and 2 is positive integer. Always we know that positive integer is greater than negative integer. Therefore, minus 3 is less than 2 or 2 is greater than minus 3. So, every positive integer is always greater than negative integer. Next, rules of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of positive and negative numbers. First, we can start with addition. In addition, if both signs are positive, then the result will be positive. For example, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, where 5 and 3 are positive integers. If we add these two positive integers, we will get the result plus 8, which means positive 8. If two negative integers added, the result will be in negative. I repeat, if two positive integers added, we will get the result as positive. When two negative integers added, we will get the result in negative. If one positive number and negative number is added, we should have to take the difference of these numbers, which means, for example, 5 plus of minus 9. 5 is positive integer, minus 9 is negative integer. So, we should have to take the difference of these two numbers. 9 minus 5, 4. Then we have to place the greater number sign. Here which is greater, 5 or 9 is greater? 9 is greater. What is the sign of 9? Negative sign. So we can write the result as minus 4. Next, minus 4 plus 7, which is equal to 3. One positive number and one negative number. So what is the procedure for adding one positive and negative number? We should have to take the difference of 7 and 4. What is the difference of 7 and 4? 3. Which is a greater number? 4 or 7 is greater? 7 is greater. What is the sign of 7? Plus. So the answer is plus 3. So if we add two positive numbers, we will get the result positive. If we add two negative numbers, the result will be negative. If one positive and one negative number is added, the procedure is to take the difference of the number and then put the greater number sign. This is the rule for addition. Next, subtraction. 6 minus 10. 6 is a positive integer and 10 also positive integer. We should have to subtract the two positive integers. So we can write 6 as it is. Then after 6, negative sign is there. If it is negative sign, take the additive inverse of negative sign. So the negative sign's additive inverse is positive. After, to compensate the negative inverse, we can take the additive inverse of plus 10. The additive inverse of plus 10 is minus 10. Therefore, if one positive and one negative integer is there, we should have to take their difference and put the greater number sign. So 6 or 10 is greater. 10 is greater. First we have to take the difference of these two numbers and put the greater number sign. Therefore, the answer is minus 4. Next example, 8 minus of minus 5. Children, when we perform any operation with the negative numbers, always the negative numbers should be placed inside the bracket. Here 8 minus of minus 5. We can write 8 as it is. Then after 8 negative sign is there. Take the additive inverse of negative, which is positive. To compensate opposite of subtraction, take additive inverse of minus 5. Therefore the additive inverse of minus 5 is plus 5. Then 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. Next, multiplication. If we multiply two positive number, we will get the product as positive. If you multiply two negative number, we will get the product as positive. Then, if you multiply one negative and one positive number, we will get the product in negative. For example, 3 and 2 are positive integer. If you multiply the two positive integers, we get the result or product as 6. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Then minus 4 and minus 3. These two numbers are negative numbers. If you multiply these two numbers, we get the product as 12. Next, minus 2, which is multiplied by 5, which is equal to minus 10. One negative number and one positive number. If we multiply these two numbers, we get the product as negative. Next, 6, which is multiplied by minus 3. One is negative and one is positive. We get the result as negative. Next, we can discuss about division. So in division, which is same as multiplication, 6 divided by 2. 6 is positive integer and also 2 is also a positive integer. If we divide 6 by 2, we will get the result in positive as 3. Then next, minus 8 and minus 4. Both the numbers are in negative. If you divide two negative numbers, we will get the positive number. And the third one is minus 10, which is divided by 2. If we divide one negative number by a positive number, we will get the result in negative. And the last one is 12, which is divided by minus 4, which is equal to minus 3. I repeat, if we divide two positive number, we will get the result in positive. If we divide the two negative numbers, we will get the result in negative. If one negative number is divided by one positive number, we will get the result as negative. Here is the question. Question number 1. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. I repeat, following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on particular day. This was the table view for temperature at different places on a particular day. In this number line, we have 0 in the middle, positive integers on the right and negative integers on the left. When we move towards the right on the number line, the number keeps increasing. When we move towards the left on the number line, the number keeps decreasing. This number line which shows the temperature at different places on a particular day. We have 4 subdivisions in it. Here is the first subdivision. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. 0 is the origin in this number line. The few places were given: Lahulspati, Srinagar, Shimla, Ooty, Bangalore. So, Shimla, Ooty, Bangalore are on the right side, which means positive integers. Srinagar and Lahulspati is negative integers, which is mentioned on the left side of the number line. Solution: the temperature at different places are At Lahulspadi, minus 8 degrees Celsius. Srinagar, minus 2 degrees Celsius. Shimla, 5 degrees Celsius. Ooty, 14 degrees Celsius. And Bangalore, 22 degrees Celsius. Next subdivision. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? I repeat, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest place among the above? Here is the solution. Suppose if you are setting your air condition to 26 degrees Celsius, it will allow you to stay cool. You can assume the temperature in this number line. If the origin is considering 26 degrees Celsius, when we are increasing the level, the hottest place is Bangalore, and when we are reducing the level, coldest place is Lahulspadi. Therefore, the temperature of the hottest place is Bangalore, which is equal to 22 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the coldest place is Lahulspadi, which is equal to minus 8 degrees Celsius. The difference between hottest place and coldest place, which means Bangalore and Lahulspadi. We can take the difference 22 degrees Celsius minus of minus 8 degrees Celsius. Here one is positive integer and another one is negative integer. Now we can apply the rule of subtraction. Write 22 degrees Celsius as it is. Then take the opposite sign of minus. Afterwards take the additive inverse of minus 8 degrees Celsius to compensate the opposite sign, which is equal to 22 degrees Celsius plus 8 degree Celsius. If we add these 2 degree, we will get 30 degree Celsius. Next is subdivision. What is the temperature difference between Lahulspadi and Srinagar? Solution. The temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Lahulspadi is minus 8 degrees Celsius. The difference between Srinagar and Lahulspadi is minus 2 degrees Celsius minus of minus 8 degrees Celsius, which is equal to minus 2 degrees Celsius. Take the additive inverse of minus 8 degrees Celsius. So it is plus 8 degrees Celsius. If one negative number and one positive number is added, what is the procedure? We should have to take the difference of two numbers. So 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. 8 is greater number. Put greater number sign there. So the answer is 6 degrees Celsius. Subdivision D. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Here is the solution. The temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius and the temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. We should have to take the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together. Then we can get it as 5 degrees Celsius plus of minus 2 degree Celsius. 5 degrees Celsius is temperature level at Shimla and minus 2 degrees Celsius is temperature level at Srinagar. So if you are taking together, the temperature is 3 degree Celsius. 3 degree Celsius is less than 5 degree Celsius, which means the together temperature of Srinagar and Shimla is less than the temperature at Shimla, and which is greater than the temperature level of Srinagar. Therefore, it is not less than the temperature of Srinagar. So with this, we complete 4 subdivisions in first question of exercise 1.1. We will continue remaining questions in next section. Thank you.